Hello, I am Rakesh and you are watching my channel Chalo Sikhte Hain. Today we are going to take question answer from lesson 2 Lost Spring by Anish Chand part 1. Sometimes I find a rupee in the garbage. A story of Sahab. Let us begin with question number 1. What is Sahab looking for in the garbage dumps? Where has he come from? साहब कूड़े के ढेर में क्या तलाश करता है और वह कहाँ से आया? साहब इज लुकिंग फॉर गोल्ड इन द गार्बेज डम्प्स. गोल्ड मीन्स साहब इज लुकिंग फॉर coins in the garbage dump. Sahab has come from Bangladesh in 1971. Sahab has come from Dhaka. His home is not in his memory. उसे अपने घर की जरा भी याद नहीं है. His mother tells that many storms swept away their fields and homes. So they came in this big city looking for gold. Question number 2. Food is more important for survival than an identity. भोजन उन लोगों के लिए जीवित रहने के लिए ज़्यादा आवश्यक है उनके पहचान की अपेक्षा. सो मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल इन सीमापुरी आर रैक पिकर्स. सीमापुरी इज ए प्लेस ऑन द पेरीफेरी ऑफ दिल्ली. देयर इज नो रनिंग वाटर, नो ड्रेनेज सिस्टम. मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल आर रैक पिकर्स. दे लिव इन स्ट्रक्चर्स ऑफ मड with roofs of tin and tarpaulin. More than 30 years have passed. They are having only one identity card, और वह है केवल राशन कार्ड which make them able to cast their vote and to get ration. And for the people of Simapuri, food is more important for survival than an identity. Question 3. Garbage to them is gold. Most of the people in Simapuri are rag pickers. Children grow up with them, becoming partners in survival. And survival in Simapuri means rag picking. अगर survive करना है सीमापुरी में तो rag picking का काम करना होगा. And garbage to them is gold. अनिश जंग का मानना है कि garbage has a different meaning for children than to parents. For children it is a wonder. बच्चों के लिए एक वंडर के समान है, आश्चर्य की वस्तु है. एंड फॉर पेरेंट्स इट इज ए मीन्स ऑफ सर्वाइवल. गार्बेज टू देम इज गोल्ड. व्हाट डज द ऑथर से दैट सीमापुर इज ए प्लेस ऑन द पेरीफेरी ऑफ दिल्ली 8 miles अवे फ्रॉम इट मेटाफोरिकली. ऑथर ऐसा क्यों कहता है कि सीमापुरी जो है वो दिल्ली के बाहरी हिस्से पर है, लेकिन ऐसा मालूम पड़ता है कि दिल्ली से काफ़ी दूर है. एक्चुअली द ऑथर वांट्स टू से that the plight of rag pickers living in Simapuri is quite different from that of Delhi because they are living in an unhygienic condition. No drainage system, नालियों की कोई व्यवस्था नहीं है. No fresh water, no running water, पीने के पानी की कोई व्यवस्था नहीं है. In structures of mud with roofs of tin and tarpaulin, there lived 10,000 rag pickers. There lived 10,000 rag pickers. But in Delhi, Delhi is famous for its richness and its beauty, with tall building reaching to sky, add its glamour. Is Sahab happy working at the tea stall? Explain. No, Sahab is not happy working at the tea stall because Sahab is now a paid servant. He gets 800 rupees and meals for 2 times. अब उसे 800 रुपये और 2 समय का भोजन मिलता है. When Anijang asked whether he was happy working at the tea stall, Sahab lost his carefree look. It seems that milk canister seems heavier than the plastic bag which he would carry over his shoulder so lightly. The bag was his. Bag उसी का होता था. But the milk canister belongs to the man who runs a tea stall. The goddess had granted his prayer. Young boy like the son of the priest now also. Explain this with a story of Udipi. The goddess जो देवी है had granted his prayer. उसकी प्रार्थना स्वीकार कर ली है. Young boys जैसे पृष्ठ के लड़के हैं वे आज सूज पहनते हैं. Explain this with a story of Udipi. Udipi is a district in Karnataka. This is a story of a child. यह कहानी एक बच्चे की है. When he was a young boy, his school was past an old temple. उसका स्कूल एक टेम्पल के आगे आता था. So whenever he would go to school. He stay before the temple where his father was a priest. He prayed for a pair of shoes. Or after 30 years, when Anijang visited his village, now there lived a new priest. 30 वर्ष के बाद उस गांव में जब अनीश जंग जाती है, there lived a new priest. His son came from school. He wore shoes. He was dressed in grey uniform. There were many plastic chairs. Anish Jang remembered the prayer that child had made many years before, and she thought that goddess had granted his prayer. Goddess ने had granted his prayer because the son of the priest now wore shoes. So goddess had granted his prayer. Thanks.